Hello, coding stars! Welcome back to your coding adventure. Today we're diving into the magical world of motion blocks in Scratch. These are the building blocks that help your sprites move, spin, glide, and bounce all around the stage. Ready to get those characters moving? Let's go, coding stars! What are motion blocks? Motion blocks in Scratch are commands that tell sprites how to move. Think of these blocks as instructions for your sprite, whether it's a butterfly flapping its wings, a car driving across the screen, or a rocket gliding through space. Here are key motion blocks and what they do. Move 10 steps. Moves the sprite forward by 10 steps. Try changing the number for bigger or smaller steps. Go to random position. Teleports your sprite to a random spot on the stage like a surprise jump. Go to X73, Y91. Moves the sprite to an exact point. Use coordinates to place your sprite precisely. Turn right 15 degrees. Spins the sprite 15 degrees clockwise. Keep clicking to make a full spin. Turn left 15 degrees, spins the sprite 15 degrees counterclockwise. Glide 1 second to random position. Moves the sprite smoothly to a random spot in 1 second. Try adjusting the time for faster or slower glides. Glide 1 second to X73, Y91. Glides the sprite to a specific point, just like setting GPS coordinates. Point in direction 90. Sets the direction your sprite faces. 0 is up, 90 is right, 180 is down, and minus 90 is left. Point towards mouse pointer. Makes your sprite follow your mouse. Super fun for creating chase games. Change X by 10. Moves your sprite horizontally. Positive numbers go right, negative numbers go left. Set X to 73. Sets the sprite's X coordinate to an exact number. Change Y by 10, moves your sprite vertically. Positive numbers go up, negative numbers go down. Set Y to minus 91, sets the sprite's Y coordinate to a specific point. If on edge, bounce. Makes your sprite bounce back when it hits the stage edge. Perfect for creating games with bouncing objects. Set rotation style left-right. Limits. Sprite rotation to face only left or right. X position reports the sprite's current X coordinate. Y position reports the sprite's current Y coordinate. Direction reports which way the sprite is facing. Let's create a fun activity. The dancing butterfly? Choose the butterfly sprite. Use move 10 steps and turn right 15 degrees blocks to make it dance in a circle. Add a go to random position block to surprise your audience. Click the green flag and watch your butterfly boogie. glide, and catch game. Choose the rocket sprite. Use glide 1 second to random position to make the rocket glide smoothly. Add point towards mouse pointer and try chasing the rocket with your mouse. Bouncing ball game. Choose the ball sprite. Add move 10 steps, and if on edge, bounce blocks to make the ball bounce around the stage. Challenge yourself to catch it with your mouse. Great job today, coding stars! You've learned how to make your sprites move, glide, spin, and bounce with motion blocks. Remember, coding is all about experimenting and having fun. Try creating your own projects with these blocks and see what cool animations you can come up with. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun coding adventures. See you next time, coding stars!